What's going on, guys? Francis here. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? Especially in this time where everybody's isolated, everybody's at home, okay? I'm going to share with you guys some of the things you can promote right now, okay, which is hot, that you can make money from. A lot of people are making a killing from it right now because most people might think, nobody's making money right now because everything is slow. Yes, everything is slow, but there are still affiliate commissions to rake in, okay? There are little affiliate commissions you can bring in, like $20, $50, $100 and above, okay, depending on your ad budget and how you know how to optimize, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how you can get started with this particular strategy. I'll be showing you guys a product you can promote and other similar products related to it that you can promote to make money online, as well as some tools you can also use to get this off the ground, all right? And also a traffic strategy on how you can get people who might be interested in what you're promoting online. Okay, so if this is your first time I'm stopping by, my name is Francis Abogonye. I share make money online videos on this channel, and if you hit the red subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon, I will notify you anytime I upload a video like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. Let me know what you think about this in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. With that being said, let's dive right into my computer and I'll be sharing with you guys how to get started with this method. So guys, for product, somebody can be promoting this period, okay, to make about $100 and above or less, depending on how you choose to promote this, is mostly health and fitness product, okay? And one of them is just a while ago, the other day, I was sent an email by Monish, okay, where they are currently promoting this particular product here called Immune Defense, okay? You can see it on their website right here when you come to the offer section. I currently don't promote Monish. I don't promote any product on Monish currently, but we're using this as an example, okay? If you use ClickBank, okay, this particular thing I'm going to be explaining right now also works in similar ways, all right? You can use this to make money this current period, even in the time of this current pandemic, all right? So currently a lot of people are looking at products that could help them, okay, in terms of their health, because of the health problem we're having worldwide. So this kind of product kind of like provide that solution, okay? So what you want to be thinking currently in terms of working with the current trend is how you can provide as much value you can to a lot of people, and at the same time, okay, make money in the process, okay? You're actually going to be helping people solve their problems and making money in the process, all right? So like this product here does that. I actually provide this product actually is an immune booster, okay? Because one of the recommendations by the doctors currently is that a lot of people tend to boost their immune system by eating or taking any supplement that could help their immune system, all right? So for products to promote, okay, you can promote products like this. You can just click right here and get your links. You can see they are giving 40% affiliate commission. That is what the payout for this is. It's actually 40% commission. Let's take a look at some other products on ClickBank also, some of the categories we could promote. So you just come right here, click on affiliate marketplace, all right? For those of you who have ClickBank, you can actually do this. Those of you in ClickBank areas where you can actually have a ClickBank account, you can do this, and you can also do this particular strategy with any affiliate network, okay? It still works in similar ways. So for like ClickBank right here, for some of the categories they have right here, some of the things that tend to work very well is betting system. Okay, betting system work very well because a lot of people like gambling and they can't go out right now, so you can promote gambling stuff, okay, gambling products to them and gambling offers. Like I have a friend who's making a killing out of native ads, okay? He mostly do native ad and promote things like this, adult niche and all that. That is what he mostly promote. But what I recommend you do currently is, even if you're a newbie, or if you're a newbie or advanced marketer or intermediate, okay, you can promote health and fitness products, okay? Especially when you click here and come to nutrition right here. When you come to nutrition, okay, you can promote product relating to this right here, sleep, spirituality and all that, because people are at home right now, so they need anything that could help their immune system and also their spirituality, okay? So you can come to spirituality also. These products tend to work very, very well, and people are most likely going to buy them because they're at home and they are mostly low entry products, and ClickBank tend to sell very well, especially on Facebook. And where you can promote some of this product is on Facebook and on Instagram, because ClickBank product tend to work very well on Facebook, okay, due to the fact that you can just interrupt people, all right, and they can just see something catchy and want to follow the process and they can buy from there. Or they could decide to buy later from there. All right, so what you want to do after getting your affiliate link, okay, which is very, very simple to do. So for Monish, all you have to do is to click on get link. Okay, once you're on the dashboard for any product, then you can copy your affiliate link. Okay, this link is actually trackable to you, all right, and you alone. So you are not going to be promoting this directly on Facebook, because Facebook don't allow this kind of Facebook don't mostly allow affiliate links on their platform. Okay, so what you want to do is to build a bridge page. Right, and the tool I use for building a bridge page is called Builderall. Currently, I was not using Builderall, but I actually switched back to it because of their recent tool they have recently, which is actually the 3-step WordPress integration. I actually like that feature. Okay, so Builderall is a cool platform you can use to build sales funnel and websites. Okay, sales funnel, landing pages, and website, and also you can use it for email marketing. It's an all-in-one tool. All right, I'm going to link Builderall in the description of this video for you to get a free trial. Okay, 14 days free trial in the description, so you can have access to this entire feature right here. And if we look at the dashboard of Builderall, I'm currently on the essential plan. That is what I'm using currently. This is the Cheetah drag and drop website builder that you're going to be using to build your landing pages, and you can use Mailingboss to send emails. Okay, now one big mistake a lot of people tend to do when promoting affiliate product is that they want to just send people directly to their links. Okay, which is wrong. All right, you want to send people to a bridge page which you'll be building on Builderall, or you can use ClickFunnels or any funnel builder, okay, to build a bridge page, then before sending people to the offer page. And when you send people to your bridge page, you make sure you want to collect their email. Okay, that's why I mentioned Mailingboss right here, okay, which is an email marketing tool that Builderall actually have. So Builderall have everything in one, okay, and it's an amazing tool you can use for digital marketing. So you want to collect people's email before sending them to the affiliate product, okay, so that you can market to them over and over, because most people are not going to buy the first time they are seeing the product. Okay, so that's why you need to follow up on them by sending them multiple emails and create an email sequence up to like 15 to 20, all right, to get people back to the product over and over again. And even those that buy or didn't buy, in the long run, you still have their email and you know they're interested in product in that category, so you can sell to them later on in the future. Okay, so guys, after setting up your bridge page and connecting your email marketing tool to it, all right, the next thing you want to do is to go over to Facebook and get ads. Okay, this is my tutorial. So guys, this is my ad account for my YouTube tutorials and all that. I mostly use this for examples and all. Okay, all you have to do is to go to facebook.com/ad manager, okay, and access the Facebook ad platform so that you can start creating Facebook ads, creating different Facebook ads and sending people, okay, start buying ads and sending people to your landing page and optimize the ads. Okay, you can do split tests and test what's working best and start collecting leads. Okay, and over time you start to make commission and you start to build up from there. At first you might be losing money, then you start to break even, then once you start breaking even, you start making a profit, then you can scale from there. Okay, that's how it basically works. It's not as if you just jump to $100 a day. No, it doesn't work that way. Some people might, okay, depend on how good you are in terms of using the Facebook ad platform to optimize your ad campaigns and all that. So guys, this is basically how it works. Okay, let's just do a little bit of recap right here. You just need to look for a product currently that could help people, especially in the health and fitness piece, okay, which this product right here is providing solution to what doctors are currently recommending, which is like immune system booster to help build people's immune system. And the payout for this is about 40%. Okay, they are offering to pay out 40% for this particular product. Okay, and also you can go to ClickBank and get any nutrition product or any product you feel people might need currently and build a bridge page. You want to use Builderall to build the bridge page for that you're going to be using to collect people's lead before sending them over to the affiliate product you're promoting. All right, because you don't want to send you don't want to use your affiliate link directly on Facebook, because Facebook might ban your affiliate link. They mostly ban affiliate links though, so you want to have a bridge page for that, and Builderall is the tool I use for to build my bridge pages. Okay, just use the drag and drop website builder to build your landing page and collect people email using Mailingboss before sending them to the affiliate offer. All right, this is basically how it works. So you're getting traffic from Facebook. So in my next video, I'm going to be doing this in a practical way and going over it step by step so you understand how this works. So to enable you not to miss out on my next video, I'll be going over this step by step, okay? And you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload that video, okay? For those of you asking questions like what product should you promote right now, what should you do right now, you should promote products that people at home currently need, okay, which is mostly health product, all right? And come to this category on ClickBank or in any affiliate network you're on and look for products that are suitable for people who are currently at home. So guys, this is all for the video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye bye.